the ecological accounting process does is it looks at the worth of ecological services. So why do we use the term worth? That's what reflects the community appreciation of ecological services and what may be invested in those services. Often communities have streams, which is the most common ecological service. They use some of the values, ecological values that are available, but they may overlook a lot of them, leave them on the table, as it were. Okay. What are ecological services worth? As I said, it's a measure of use. Are the opportunities recognized? And are they maintained and managed? That's a critical thing. Because if a community does see this package of ecological services and take advantage of it, they will be compelled to maintain and manage. There's three realities about watersheds. Ecological systems depend on hydrology. From one view, hydrology is water pathways. Water moves downhill and it doesn't care who owns the land, or whether it's private or public. And the watershed in reality should be the reference or spatial reference for communities in order to maintain, which means prevent degradation, and manage, which means enhance the condition, the functioning condition of an ecological resource such as a creekshed.